Open the front cover of the copier. Raise the toner holder lever. Gently pull out the toner holder. Push the toner bottle back, then pull out the bottle. Shake the new toner bottle 6 or 7 times. Remove the cap of the toner bottle. Insert the toner on the holder, then pull its top forward. Push the toner holder until you hear a click. Lower the toner holder lever into its original position, and close the front cover. Open the front cover of the copier. Open the rear cover of the copier. Check if the drum panel is open. Raise the toner holder lever. Push the green lever, pull out the toner holder. You can now remove the drum unit.